Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a natural makeup look. Our goal with the makeup look is to look like we are right now without any makeup on the skin. I did do my eyebrows first. I will link my eyebrow tutorial for a thinner brow. I feel like the brow, for me, having a thinner, lighter brow actually gives me a more youthful appearance than a dark, thicker brow, so that is something that I'm going with. But I just love seeing like the videos and pictures of Pamela Anderson. She goes completely makeup free, and I just think as we're aging, it just looks a lot nicer on the skin. And even if you're young, it is healthier for your skin not to have so much makeup on anyways. So I'm going to kind of show you a little bit of what I am doing for a more youthful makeup look. So if you guys would like to see that, then just keep watching. Also, you are going to want to stick around to the end of this tutorial because I found the perfect lip liner. This is the first time I have been able to use a lip liner without layering it with something darker underneath, like my brow pencil or a brown liner. So yes, you guys, it is so affordable as well. The perfect lip liner, so make sure you stick around. I'm just going to start off with my ingredients: caffeine under eye solution. I like to use this underneath my eyes before I put on any kind of concealer or anything. I find that it really helps kind of just smooth everything and depuff a little bit and just brighten. So I have really been enjoying this. So I'll just pat that in underneath the eyes. I'm going to do a mix of my Vital C Hydrating Anti-Age Serum as well as the Nano Bronzer Bronzing Drops from Indeed. I picked this up at Shoppers. It is, in my opinion, a good dupe for the Drunk Elephant Drops. I love it. I think it looks beautiful on the skin. So I'm just putting a tiny little amount and I'm going to mix those together. Some days this is just all I wear on my skin as well. I don't wear any sort of foundation. This is the only kind of layer that I have on my skin. So it's just going to give you hydration to the skin as well as a nice soft bronze tone, a little bit of color to the skin. And definitely use as much as you prefer. I just want a small amount because I'm putting on another layer. I'm going to take my Summer Friday Sheer Skin Tint in the shade 4. Yeah, shade 4. This is just a beautiful light skin tint. Just gives you an overall kind of smooth out appearance without feeling like you have anything on the skin at all, which is awesome. So also I'm going to take my Say. This is the shade Glow Star, and I'm just going to add a little touch of that. Give a nice little glow to the skin as well, especially during the winter months with the dryness now. We're indoors a lot more and we got the heat pumping because it is getting cold out. So I'm just going to pat that into the skin with my hands. You could definitely use a brush if you prefer, but for this, I just kind of like to pat it into the skin with my hands. And your skin just looks fresher without looking like you have anything on the skin. Just a fresher, smooth out look. All right, now I'm going to go in under my eye, and this is probably the only part of my face that I will want extra coverage or more coverage on, just because of the shade, like just with the blue and purple undertones. I just don't know how to cover that without using something. So I'm going to go in with my Clean and Fresh Skin Milk Nourishing Foundation in the shade Medium. This will look a little bit more skin-like than concealer, and it's a little bit darker, so it won't be so bright and obvious under the eye. Also, it kind of has a little bit of a peachy undertone to it, which will neutralize those tones nicely. And you can put it on your lid as well if you want a little bit of coverage on kind of like any kind of the veins or discoloration you have on the eye. This is a great product to use as an alternative to concealer. All right, for a little bit of contour and bronzer, I'm going to take my soft sculpting stick by shaping stick by Mario. I have this in the shade medium, and I am going to go in just with this round dome brush and just kind of buff that on the skin. I'm not going to create any kind of harsh contouring by, you know, drawing it on. So this will look a little bit more diffused, and it'll just give us a little bit of a soft sculpt. It's exactly what it says it is. And I'm just gonna go around the hairline. Right under my chin on this part of my neck. So you can kind of go under where your cheekbone is and over. It's kind of like a triangle on the outer part of the face. I really like to do this as well with my Halo Contour Wand. Contouring my nose, I've done it like in all of my videos, but I just think that it just looks really youthful just to kind of shorten the tip of the nose. You can just bring it down the sides, and I really like to just kind of bring it some across the bridge of the nose too. Just kind of looks sun-kissed, and it just makes the nose feel a little bit more petite. You can still see any kind of freckles you might have on your skin too as well, so that's nice. That's a very youthful kind of look. For my blush, I'm going in with NYX NYX Sweet Cheeks. It's a matte blush. It's in the shade Summer Breeze, and it's got a lot of kind of golden, warm, peachy, orangey undertones to it, bronzy undertones. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. Again, I don't want anything to look too pigmented and strong on the face, so I want the blush to look really diffused. So I'm going to go in with that, and I'm going to pop that on the tops of my cheeks. And that is where I think it looks more youthful. It's funny, I'm seeing this more, especially with more mature women on TikTok and Reels, is doing their blush like this. The younger girls can get away with going up on their cheekbones. They really want to have the defined look to the face, but we want to bring fullness and youthfulness back to the face. So I find that this just gives you a more rounded look to the cheek, pops them on the nose as well, and it just really a cute look on my nose contour off with a little bit of highlighting. I'm using the one from e.l.f. like always in this shade Champagne. I'm just going to go in with my finger, put a little bit on the bridge of the nose and the tip of the nose. Could do some on the lip. Top this off with the CoverGirl Clean and Fresh Priming Glow Mist to just add more glow to the skin. For our eyes, all I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go in with my eyelash curler and curl my lashes. So lately, I've not been wearing much, or if any, mascara. I find that that is also something that has been more youthful looking for me for my face, my eyes. I need to get another clear mascara. I like using those as well, but you can go in with some eyebrow gel if you'd like, just to kind of set them in place. But I'm definitely finding that there's no extra shadow or like heaviness to the eye when I just wear no mascara, as well as it's totally on par with the clean girl look. The clean girl aesthetic is doing makeup and not having any mascara or eyeliner on the eyes. Drum roll, because here it is. This is the lip liner that I have been obsessing over, that I can just use this and nothing else, and it is a lip pencil, soft and precise, from Essence. It is in the shade Legendary, and it is legendary, and that is why it has the perfect amount of natural color to it while not being too warm on the skin, and it just looks like a mix of what I would wear. Like, it just blends in so nicely. And I've just been finding also for my lips, for a more youthful lip, something lighter on the lips. The dark, the browns and the deeper ashy tone from my eyebrow pencil that I like to put on first is just looking too dark. I want my lips to look more natural. I also just like to draw across instead of following the Cupid's bow. I feel like that is a more youthful look. And there's just, like, it's perfect. I feel like I better just go buy another one of these, because if they get on trend, you won't be able to find them. I was looking actually for the Rimmel, or Rimmel, I don't know why I gave it an accent, Rimmel. The Rimmel London Viral Lip Liner. I think it's like in the shade Cappuccino. That one looks a little bit darker, but yeah, you can't find that anywhere. So maybe this will go viral. So, and then on top of that, I will add a little bit of Vaseline. And that just looks really natural and light on the lips. And this is the perfect youthful makeup look. Natural, light, no makeup look. And I think you guys will love it. Let me know in the comments the products that you love to use to keep your skin looking natural, to keep your look looking youthful, natural, makeup, no makeup. Let me know. I want to try them out too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you're off to a great start to the year 2024. Much love to all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching and being here year after year. I'm going into my 5th year of YouTube. I cannot believe it, but I am just so, I always love being here. I have fun creating these videos. I have not lost my love for the creativity of creating content on YouTube. So I hope you guys will keep tuning in and the channel will keep growing. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys again soon.